Okay, so in this tutorial I'm gonna show you the best way on how to fix sync with iCloud past on iPhone. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So if you're getting this sync message on your iMessage, so I'll show you in exactly fix how you can do that. First up, you just simply need to go to settings, and once you're inside settings, just go to your Wi-Fi settings and make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi and make sure your Wi-Fi is working, because sometimes syncing happens automatically, and if your Wi-Fi isn't working it just get paused. So just make sure that your Wi-Fi is working, and then what you need to do is simply head over to your iCloud account section, and right over here what you need to do is simply press on iCloud, and inside iCloud you just gotta go ahead and press on see all, where it says saving is paused. Just go ahead and open it up. Right over here you'll see messages in iCloud. Just go ahead and open it up, and right over here just make sure that you got iCloud storage. For me, I don't have iCloud storage, but if you do, just simply check your status. If it says not syncing, just simply press on sync, and it's just gonna start syncing directly, and the pause will be gone. So yeah, once this is done, if it's still not working, what you can do is just simply log out your iPhone iCloud account and then log back in, and yeah, you're good to go after that. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon.